The new Rfg versus Dmo Xactimate situation, where a lot of times the carriers and many contractors are actually misclassifying the trade feature in Xactimate for the tear off of the roofs.
For instance, let's just say we're doing a simple 3-tab roof. Now if I click on this, it auto-populates here, you see it? Now look over here, both of these are supposed to be categorized as roofing. RFG means roofing, right? Okay, so if you click on this and then you click on the number, if you look off the side, look at our trade, it's actually DMO and not RFG. But watch the difference in this. If I just put in RFG, it's gonna populate here. Watch the difference, 4407, poof, 107.75.
Booyah, baby.
Difference in price
That's another
points.
$60 a square.
Over $60 a square.
The hardest part of this job is probably tearing off this tile roof. And you gotta take all this tile, tear it off the roof hand by hand, walk it across the roof, put it in this dump trailer, and then paying dump fees. It ain't the Milkman tearing off this roof. My neighbors ain't tearing off the roof. It's licensed roofers. If anybody has any question about RFG versus DMO, that should answer it for you.